Earth may not just be a rock floating through space, it might also be opening hidden gateways to the sun. NASA calls them X-points, or electron diffusion regions, places where Earth's magnetic field literally connects to the sun's, forming temporary highways for charged particles. In other words, our planet has cosmic back doors, and it doesn't even knock before opening them. These portals open and close dozens of times a day, unpredictably, allowing solar wind to stream into Earth's magnetosphere. Sometimes that energy triggers geomagnetic storms, powers dazzling auroras, and in rare cases, interferes with satellites and electronics. Think of it as Earth's way of rebooting, but without asking if you've saved your work first. NASA's Themis and ESA's cluster probes, plus older polar spacecraft data, gave scientists the clues to track these X-points reliably. To study them, NASA launched the Magnetospheric Multiscale mission, 4 spacecraft flying in perfect formation, surrounding and recording these gateways. Basically, space paparazzi catching the sun and Earth mid-handshake. Earth isn't just wrapped in a magnetic shield, it's also patterned with energy grid lines that some researchers link to ancient sacred sites like Giza, Stonehenge, and Machu Picchu. When solar flares hit during a magnetic portal opening, these grid lines intensify, sending subtle energetic pulses across the planet. Some believe those pulses interact with the pineal gland deep in the human brain, what mystics call the third eye. Science calls it biology, ancient cultures called it awakening. Either way, it's like getting a spiritual notification from the cosmos. Ancient civilizations often spoke of sky doors or sun gates at sacred sites, from Tiwanaku's Gate of the Sun to stone alignments at Angkor. While those were symbolic, it's fascinating to consider that Earth itself has natural portals. Only these are magnetic, invisible, and planetary in scale. No tickets, no lines, and zero chance of a souvenir shop. So when we gaze at the northern lights, we may actually be watching Earth in the middle of a cosmic handshake with the sun. An ancient dance now finally explained by modern science. And maybe, just maybe, a planetary system quietly tuning human consciousness while it's at it. Smash that like button and follow if the idea of real magnetic portals makes your inner explorer curious and you want to see where science and history collide between Earth and the stars.